Welcome to another product presentation from TIS. This time we're looking at the TIS MFT-ECO, an economically priced multifunction tester, but with all the top settings and tests on the unit. Firstly, the unit will do a continuity test. The nice thing about this tester on continuity is you can dial in to carry out continuity tests for up to 99 seconds, so you don't need to keep having to press the button when you're going from circuit to circuit, and the unit will read up to 1999 ohms. So if you're looking at any faults with underfloor heating, it's good for that type of thing as well. Insulation test. Big advantage with this insulation tester, although it will do a single shot insulation test, we have put an automatic mode in here, which with one connection and one key press will allow us to do all of the insulation tests together. So it will do live neutral, live earth, neutral earth, all with one key press, display the results and also the voltages that were carried out on the circuit. Loop impedance. Big feature with this unit is the accurate two-wire loop test, particularly for testing at lighting circuits. With two-wire loop testing, it can be difficult to get repeatable and accurate readings. Because we've used a Threewire mesh method, with this unit will give you accurate, repeatable two-wire loop tests. Obviously, we can do a standard three-wire test as well, and the big thing with all of the loop tests here is it will do live neutral, live earth, PSC, PFC loop tests just with one key press. So again, a big time saver. Just before we move off of the loop testing side of things, in this setting, you can also dial in the different fuse or breaker characteristics which are protecting the circuit, and the unit will then give you a thumbs up or a thumbs down depending on the reading, again therefore saving potential revisits when the readings were found not to be correct when we got back to base. Again, from a time saving point of view, the unit has an automatic RCD testing function, as well as being able to operate on a single shot mode, but it will do an automatic RCD test where it will carry out all the 6 tests that we would normally require, but we can also tag on the ramp test onto the auto test as well, so we can tell it to do an automatic test and ramp, just so we can confirm the actual tripping current of the RCD. As an addition to that, the unit will test standard AC RCDs as well as the new A-type, so again future-proofed tester. As an addition, and joining together the previous 2 tests, we also have an automatic loop and RCD testing feature, where with this one it will combine live neutral, live earth, PSC, PFC tests, and all of the RCD tests, including ramp, again in one key press of the tester and one visit to the board. Again, massive time saver and obviously the added convenience. The unit also has phase sequence, so if we're using it on 3-phase systems, which obviously we can, it's good for picking up phase sequence to make sure that we've connected a motor correctly. And on all of these settings, we have a help button. So whatever we're setting, we're on. When we press help, it does a nice little diagram on the screen just as a reminder in case we've not got the instructions to hand. The unit comes complete with a carry bag, a 3-year guarantee, a 1-year calibration certificate, a harness for use when we're up ladders or we're working at height, distribution board lead set, which is also good for carrying out single and 3-phase loop tests and continuity tests, the standard mains connection lead, and also our remote probe, which has a button on the tester itself. So if we're at a situation where for carrying out continuity tests, insulation tests, loop tests, we can't take our hands off the probe to touch the tester, we can command the unit from the probe itself. TIS MFT-ECO. Once again, thanks for watching.